Hi and welcome back to another video. Today we are talking about Microsoft Teams and in particular how we can add and remove members from our teams. If you find this useful, please do click on the like button, hit subscribe and tap that bell. It means a lot to the channel. And with all that said, let's jump on over to Microsoft Teams. Okay, so here we are just within my Teams section of Microsoft Teams application. So what I want to do is actually just navigate down to my supply chain team, just down here, and what you want to do is actually head over to the ellipsis on the right hand side of your team. If you give that a click, there's a functionality here to actually call which is called manage team. So from here you can just click there, and then it shows you who is currently in your team, who is the owner of your team, any pending requests, etc. So what we want to do is, if you just see on the right hand side here, there is the ability to add a member. So if I click on add member, what you're then presented with this pop-up message here, and all you have to do is type the name of the person who you would like to add into the team. So in my case, for this particular example, I could type in Stephen here, give that a click, and then add him into my team, close that down, and now just in this section here called members and guests, I have the ability to see who is inside my team. And it is easy as that to actually add someone into your team, and at the same time you can also navigate over to the role section just over here and hit the X, and that will actually remove the person from the team as well. And it is as simple as that, guys. Hopefully you guys found this quick 2-minute tutorial useful. If you did, please click on the like button, hit subscribe and tap that bell. It means a lot to the channel. And with this said, I will catch you guys in the next video.